County's state's attorney says a Chillicothe police officer's use of deadly force in February was justified.
The officer stopped Martin Marvin III at the corner of West Matthews and North Finley because the car Marvin was driving was reported stolen. As the officer approached, Martin pulled a gun and fired several shots, one of which hit the officer in his bulletproof vest, the other in his hand. The officer returned fire, killing Martin.